This question says, while measuring the acceleration due to gravity by a simple pendulum, a student makes a positive error of 1% in the length of the pendulum and a negative error of 3% in the value of time period. His percentage error in the measurement of g by relation g equal to 4 pi square L by t square is. Now here we have to see that positive error or negative error doesn't, affect the calculations, because errors can never be subtracted. Errors are always added. So here I can say, let me look at the expression. Expression says g equal to 4 pi square into L by t square. So I can say percentage error in g equal to percentage error in L plus percentage error into t twice, because it is 2t square. So I can write percentage error in g equal to percentage error in L is how much? 1% plus 2 times percentage error in t is 2 times 3. So that will give me 7%. So the answer for this question is 7%. That is option C. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.